All right, welcome back to Declutter with me. I'm Christy, and I decided I would do one of my hardest things today, which is makeup. I actually started my YouTube channel doing makeup related stuff, and I've since kind of fallen off that gradually. I used to do tutorials and all sorts of stuff, so I have a ton of makeup. A lot of companies sent me makeup, and I do not wear a lot of makeup. I'm actually selling, well, I wear a lot of makeup, but not a big variety like I used to. I sell Senegence, like lip scents. Have you heard of the long wearing lip stuff? Check out my Facebook page. Yes, I'm plugging myself now, because why not? No better time than the present at Poppy Minx Boutique. Poppyminx Boutique on Facebook. But anyway, it's not why I'm doing the video. I need to get rid of a lot. I do not wear a lot of my palettes. I still do use some eyeshadow, and you'll see I still use some of this stuff. So I'm just gonna start going through. I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. Maybe we'll go through those first. This is not even the half of it, so this might take a while. Grab your bags if you're decluttering with me or after. I'm doing a trash bag. There'll definitely be trash, and then a giveaway. I often will collect items to let my friends go through. I think they like that. All right, this is Too Faced Love palette. I really do like some of these colors. I haven't reached for it probably in a year. It's a hard one. Solar Flare I got last year. This is like a really fun summer color palette. I think I am going to keep this because I got it at the end of summer, I think. So I'm going to keep that and see if I use it this year. BH Cosmetics. See, now I'm seeing these. It's like I forget I even have them. These are really, really pretty colors, and I did get this past year. I'm going to keep that for now. This one I used, oh my gosh, I love this one. This is way harder than I thought. I knew it'd be hard, but this is hard. I might have to do a second go around. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Eyeshadow is my weakness. Lorac Pro. A lot of really great colors, and I don't reach for this one as much as I used to, though. But they're really beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's hard, you know? I'm going to get rid of that one. This one I used to be obsessed with. I'm going to get rid of this one, too. It's a Too Faced Bon Bon palette. Awesome palette. I'm just being honest with myself. I mostly wear Stila, which here's one. I love this palette. I wear Stila Kitten if I wear any powder like on a daily, if I don't use my Senegence one, so I'm going to keep that. I never use these anymore. These are like, this is buxom. My friends are in for a lot of goodies. I was like a collector, you know, I collect it, especially because I did the videos. But it's time to go. I never reach for this. It's a Too Faced White Chocolate palette. This is like a sad, sad day. Oh my god, it smells so good. But I need to get rid of stuff. I'll be moving now, though. It may be a year until I move. I don't know. We have to talk about it more. This is the Peanut Butter Too Faced palette. These are like so cute. I'm like, oh, I could, you know, put them up and decorate with them. Are they decorating? No. They're sitting in like one of those IKEA type carts. This is a Too Faced one too. Sugar Pop. Love this. But it's just, it takes up so much space. I love these freaking Too Faced winter palettes. I love them. I use them sometimes. But it's so much stuff, right? And we're trying to be realistic. This is a sad day for me, I'm not gonna lie. But this is stuff I do not reach for regularly. So here we already have this bag. Got this little blushes. I don't like that they're little. It's like I like a big fluffy brush and that's usable. This one isn't usable for me. Someone will love it. My friends are gonna love me. I'm just going through all these. I kept these forever because they're so pretty. A lot of them are used already. I'll have to go through. They're Tarte blushes. I don't use them. I'm not going to put them out as decorations. It was like when I had, you know, my makeup room, and there's another one. I have old foundations. We'll get to these Milani blush. I don't use it. It's kind of too bright for my skin. this I'm definitely keeping. This is my go-to last summer, and it will be again this summer. I love it. It is Too Faced Peach. Really pretty. I'm going to keep that. Don't even know what this is. Came in some box probably. Very lovely. Someone else will love it. I know exactly who I'm giving that to. That is going to my friend Leslie. She wears those colors. Are there any more eyeshadows? Oh, there are some. Hold on. Going down. Jeez, I'm a mess. I'm like trying to hurry because there's a lot to get done, a lot of makeup. Alright, one of my all-time favorites, the Too Faced chocolate bar. But this is actually really getting old, and I don't reach for it as much as I used to. And then the Naked 3, I love these colors, but again, this is old. Yeah, maybe I'll put that one in the trash. I'll have to go through actually. So there's a couple that'll go in the trash. Nude blush. I am going to keep this, and now that I'm going to have a smaller amount of stuff, I'm going to keep it all in. I have like a vanity drawer here, and hopefully I will reach for it, and I'll have to reevaluate in a few months if I'm not reaching for it. And then there's this, which is 28 color lipstick palette, and that is by BH Cosmetics. I mean, that is awesome, isn't it? So I'm definitely going to keep this. Even though I use my lip scents, I'll see if I use these too. We'll see what happens. This Tarte, I just don't tend to use it. I want to, but the same thing where it's kind of small to get your brush in, it just annoys me. Someone's going to love it. Can't wait till they do. This is hard. Old foundations and Lingerie Depot, too expensive. I'm not repurchasing that. I'm just not. Then I have these Clinique chubby sticks that I used, but they have to go in the trash. You know, someone commented saying, no one, why do people, or nobody wants to see your trash? Yeah, people do. They want to see, what you say about certain items, I think. This is a brand new Dream Mousse, so I'm keeping that. They want to see, I think kind of like almost reviews sometimes when you're getting rid of stuff, and it's motivation. It helps me when I watch people declutter. I love it. Like before I do these videos, if I have time, I watch a declutter video. It gets me pumped. All these MAC lipsticks I don't use. There's a bunch. These were the Mariah Carey, and they're so pretty. Mariah Carey thing. Oh my gosh. I might keep one just because they're so gorgeous and beautiful. Gonna keep one for what? For nothing. I can give those away. Those aren't too old. Someone will wear them. You can, if it's a friend, you can use alcohol and whatever. Here is a eyebrow thing that's dried out. That'll go in the trash. This is a Pro Studio Concealer by BH Cosmetics. I think this one was too dark for me. So I'll give that to one of my friends. Oh, here's a mini. I will keep this. See, I didn't even know I had this. When you have so much stuff, you forget what the heck you even have. This is like a mini NARS concealer. I do love this. Even I put this on top of my Senegence one. The Senegence one, if I'm really tired and I have big circles, I might need a little extra kick. So I'm going to keep that. This is a beautiful green shadow. Keeping that one. I might have to go through my shadow palettes and get rid of more. There's just too many over there that I just don't reach for. Alright, now this is we're kind of going through randomly. These are like the sugar guys. Sugar how you get so smart. They are trash. They're old and they're almost done, most of them. This is like a mascara thing that came with something. I don't know how old it is. It's probably very old. This I just did not like at all. This lip gloss. I do love these. This is NARS. I don't wear them. I think it's the same thing where it's small. I know that's weird. Like I don't have some big cheeks, but I like a bigger thing where I can just stuff my brush and do it real quick. I don't want to have to think about it. And you have to be realistic with yourself. It's beautiful colors. I'm like, oh, I'll just remind myself to wear it. This is a travel, one of my favorite blushes. I do put this on top of my cream blush. I like to double it up, so I am keeping that. Cargo HD, don't even know what you are. You bronzer. Cargo brand, they were my first bronzer. Oh, this is pretty actually. But it's not really dark enough to be a bronzer for me. It's probably a highlight, but it's That says bronzer. It says Picture Perfect Highlighter Bronze. I don't know. Not for me. I'll give it to my friend who is dark and it would be a good highlight for her. Now, this is so pretty. They're so cute, but I gotta get rid of it. This was a blush. Let me see. Let me do a little swatch. I'm just not gonna lie to myself anymore. Gotta get rid of this Too Faced stuff. Super cute. Someone's gonna love it. You know what? I should have like a declutter party. This is amazing. I'm getting rid of all this stuff. This is a bronzer, but I didn't like the undertone with my skin. It's Too Faced and it's Sweet Tea. I did use it for a while. Let me double check, but I don't know. I love my Too Faced. It's a really big palette and I get my big fluffy brush. I really like big packaging. So I'm going to get rid of that. To be honest with myself, right? We've got this pore minimizer. I never liked that. Do you guys? That was it by Benefit. I never really liked that one. And that's really old, so I'm going to put that one in the trash. This is my favorite eyeshadow ever. Stila Kitten. That is why I call it Stila Kiss. All thanks to this little beauty. It is the most beautiful eyeshadow. I love it. Did I mention I love it? Okay. And then I have a couple of tools, like a little curler for lashes, a little tweezer. I have this thermal spring water I do not use. I can give that to someone else. And I have a setting spray that I like myself. And here's just a mirror. I can always have a little handy mirror. And some more tools. Oh, I found another makeup. I don't reach those. Apricot in the middle. This is pretty though, except I can't open it, but it's Wet n Wild. And I like how big the packaging is. That's a good size blush. I'm going to keep that one, see how that goes. Here I've got this other little mirror. Isn't this cute? It's like, it was seen in Mad Men. I think it's like a Mad Men thing, and then it's got a blush that I never use inside it, but it's a good mirror and it's adorable. I am going to keep that one. You know what? I'm going to keep that one and get rid of this one. Someone else can have that. And then this is just a pencil sharpener. Got to keep that. I have another tweezer with a little light on it. How fun. You can do it in the dark. Yeah, I have multiple tweezers, which I think is fine to have a few. And then I have some nail clippers. There we go. And I will put them all in the drawer. Like I will organize all this stuff. Don't worry. Oh, this isn't. Oh, this is the this is the same as that other bronzer. It's brand new. I'm going to give that to somebody. Make them hecka happy. Alright, so the drawer is cleared. We need to go back through these palettes. I do like a lot of these colors though. I do need to keep that. It's very good summer colors, so I guess that's why I haven't been using it. Like, I wear more pinkies and peaches in the summer. This BH Cosmetics, yeah, you know, I don't know. This is tough, guys. I don't know, that's hard. It's hard. I'm going to keep, I think I'm going to keep all four for now, and we'll check back in a couple months. Alright, now I have to go through this, just have a little brush. It's like, isn't this so cute? What brand is this? Tangle Teaser. You can put it in your purse and carry it along. It's like my travel brush. I have like backup makeup, which I do because there will be sales, I'll say, on like my favorite mascaras. So I have backup. So what I'm gonna do is put, oh, there's a broken glass in there. That's always fun. I'm just gonna put all my backup things in there for now. Here's all my MAC lipstick back to MAC thing, like that I never do. So I'm gonna put that, you know what I'm gonna do with it? I'm going to get rid of it because it's been sitting here for like 2 years. I have to go through my makeup brushes. I have so many, it's like really disgusting. So I need to do like a whole declutter on them. These are like brand new sets. I'm like, oh, I haven't opened yet. I need to do a whole declutter on that. So that will happen. So now that feels really good. I want to see if I can fit most of this stuff back in my drawer, which I'm sure I can. I might have to take out a divider actually to fit the palettes. But that's pretty amazing. Hold on, I'm going to show you the bag of what I got rid of. It's a whole lot of stuff. So I will organize these at a point and I will show you that. Thumbs up if you want that in a separate video. So to just give you an idea, I did stick everything back in here, and this used to be jammed full. So I am pretty happy overall. I could even get rid of some of those tweezers. I think I have too many. So, but yeah, we'll see about some of the palettes. They might disappear too, but it feels so much better. There's so much less stuff. Thanks for watching. That went more quickly than I thought, and I think I did a good job. Thumbs up if you think I did a good job. Yeah, comment below. Deuces!